Here's how to make a wood bead floral wreath. You're going to need a wire wreath frame, some wooden beads, fake flowers, some ribbons, some hot glue, scissors, and heavy-duty wire cutters. First thing I like to do is plan out the flowers. Put them in place, see what I like, see what I don't like. And then when I'm happy with kind of the concept, I attach the large flowers first by wrapping floral wire around that thick wreath frame. And here I've made a few bundles with like a leaf and a flower and a little decorative element, and it just makes it easier to attach it to the wire frame. Same process, wrap the floral wire around to hold it in place. And I like to work from side to side, so then I work in the center. Here I've created a few bundles of the little flowers and the leaves. Attach in place, give it a good shake, see if anything falls off. If it does, snap it back in there. And you use those heavy-duty wire cutters to cut that thick wire frame so I can attach the wood beads. I fill one side and then the other, and when I can't fit any more beads on there, it's time to put those two cut ends back together, and I just kind of overlap them and jam them into a bead, but I like to secure it with a little bit of hot glue. And then here I'm just going to push one bead right over those two cut ends, and that should hold it in place pretty good. So I made this bow to put in the center, and I didn't like it. So I grabbed some smaller wooden beads and created these little rings, maybe 6, 8 beads on each ring, and I tied 3 in the center, and that kind of hides all of that extra wire that you're going to see there in the center. It kind of builds up, and I liked it so much I added a couple more. One here on the left, and then I add another one over on the right. I thought it worked really well to tie in with the large wood beads around the ring. So to hang it, I just added some macrame rope, made a big knot, and then to keep the knot secure so it doesn't fall off, I just added some hot glue. And you can display it and hang it on your wall or on your front door. It's a nice way to welcome spring after a long winter, and a beautiful way to greet your family and friends. It's beautiful.